Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, you are going to learn exactly how you can switch between the heat and the cool mode on your Beko air conditioner in 2026. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to simply turn on your Beko air conditioner using the remote and wait for a few seconds for the indoor unit to basically start. Now, when it is started successfully, you just have to simply press this particular mode button and you need to keep on pressing it repeatedly. Now, when you are pressing it, you are going to see different types of modes available on top of the display. So since you want to set it from heat to cool, you just have to simply just look for the modes that are coming. So if you see the snowflake icon or the cool written over here on the display, it means you are using or you are on the cool mode. And similarly, if you see the sun icon or the heat written over here on the display, it simply means that you are on the heat mode. So whichever mode you want, when it appears on the display, you just have to stop pressing this mode button immediately. Afterwards, you just have to simply use these temperature button. These are the up and the down button in order to basically increase or decrease the temperature as per your need. You can also then press the fan mode and then you can basically increase its speed. After doing so, once you have done this setting, I recommend you to wait for at least 2 to 5 minutes for the AC to respond as per your settings. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.